friends. Where is my blocks? Here is it. But where is my crocodile now? Let's wait. Guys, so this is a block set and it's for 6 plus. It has 71 pieces. This is block set from Mini, so we bought it. It has total 71 pieces. It looks kinda big and kiddish, but it was too hard to complete though. But it's such an amazing activity for kids when they are at home or they have nothing to do. But I guess something is missing. I guess this is missing. The crocodile. Where is it? I guess he went for a hunt. He came here. What was that? I guess my crocodile is here.
Crocodile is too cute. Ooh.
You could shake his tail. He loves his jungle. Friends, we're going to teach you how to make this block set.